Welcome to MathLab. Today, you're on your journey to discover relations between fractions, decimals, and percentage. What is a decimal? A decimal is a fraction whose denominator is a power of 10. What is a percentage? Remember, percentage means per 100. Percentage is a way of expressing a fraction as so many parts in 100. Today, you're provided with a butter paper 10 by 10 grid and a lab observation sheet which has models of squares. If you look carefully at your lab observation sheet, some part of each square has been shaded. Let us look at this model. By just looking at the model, we will not be able to determine the shaded fraction. However, if you place your 10 by 10 butter paper grid on this model, you can find relations between fractions, decimals, and percentage. Now, by carefully observing this picture, can you identify the fraction? Is it not 30 parts out of 100 parts? So, can I say my fraction is 30 by 100 or 3 by 10? Now, can you write 30 by 100 as a decimal? Is it not equal to 0.30 or 0.3? We also know that percentage means so many parts in 100. This model has 30 parts out of 100, parts that have been shaded. So, the percent can be written as 30%. In order to convert a fraction into a decimal or into a percentage, you need to observe the denominator closely. Remember, the friend of 2 is 5. Why is the friend of 2 5? Because 2 into 5 is equal to 10. The friend of 4 is 25 because 4 into 25 is equal to 100. The friend of 8 is 125 because 8 into 125 is equal to 1000. So, by multiplying the denominator and the numerator by the friend of the denominator, we can find relations between fractions, decimals, and percentage. Let us consider 1 by 4. We know the friend of 4 is 25. So, we can multiply the numerator and denominator by 25. So, our fraction becomes 25 by 100. Can you now find its decimal form? Is it not the same as 0.25? Can you write 25 by 100 as a percentage? Isn't it equal to 25%? Now, let us consider 20%. As a fraction, can it be written as 20 by 100? So, 20 by 100 is nothing but 1 out of 5. Also, as a decimal, it can be written as 0.20. Let us consider the decimal 0.43. We can write 0.43 as 43 by 100. Have we converted the decimal into a fraction? Can you now find 0.43 as a percentage? Is it not the same as 43%? Have fun discovering relations between fractions, decimals and percentage.